I read an interesting story that you got started with YouTube because you had a class project where you had the option of either, was it like you could present live in class or you could record a video. So you went for the recorded video option. And then I don't know how much later, months later or years later, you came back and it had 5,000 views. And you were like, oh, wow, people are just interested in stuff you could create. And that kind of got you going.
Yeah, I mean that's almost exactly how it happened. I did this project. I still remember it's my first video that I have uploaded to the channel, and it's comparing LSTM and GRU. Oh my goodness,
Recurrent neural
nodes
networks.
in a recurrent neural network
Yeah,
when
yeah.
predicting cryptocurrency prices. And
Mm.
it was right, I think, during like the first big crypto boom when everyone was super stoked on it. And it was like maybe with the second one, right? And I guess there was a lot of traction there. And I don't think it was even 5,000 views. It was maybe 1,000, 2,000. I was like, oh my goodness, this is crazy. And it's funny now, one of my videos does that in the first couple hours, right? And, that idea though, that, hey, this is a platform that I could communicate with other people. This is a platform where I can storytell. This is a platform also where I could improve some of the things that I needed to work on in myself. So I've told this story, I think, a couple times, but it's something I love sharing is that when I started making videos outside of that one where I was going through a presentation, I did it in order to improve the way that I articulate, improve my diction and the way that I speak. I did a interview with a company
Hmm.
where I had to read a prompt off of a screen and respond to it. There was no human that I was talking to. It was just talking into a camera. And I watched it back and I remember thinking to myself, why would anyone ever hire this person of this video that I just
Oh.
saw? Right? I was a robot. I didn't have any emotion to me. I couldn't convey the information clearly. And I thought, wow, I could convey information that I know about because I just had this experience moving from management consulting into data science. And I can also work on improving this skill of mine, this storytelling, this ability to speak, this ability to put together a cohesive message. And then eventually that led into improving my ability to make videos and use different camera angles and do all this other stuff. So that one little thing sparked this entire sort of avalanche of me trying to improve myself and improve my content, but also convey value and tell stories and hopefully create some meaning or some understanding around this domain of data science that was quickly evolving on YouTube and on a platform. So it was an awesome sort of fun project and experience, and like I never would have guessed it would turn into what it has now.